Hi, my name is Chef Jelly. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite muffin recipes, and it's the Lemon Poppy Seed Muffin. Today we're going to be making my favorite muffin recipe. It is the Lemon Poppy Seed Muffin. Here we have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of poppy seed, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Over here we have 1 cup of buttermilk. We're gonna need 2.5 tablespoons of lemon zest, which is about 2 lemons, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice from those lemons that we zested, and 2 eggs. Here we have some raw sugar that we're going to be using to sprinkle on top of the muffins before it's gonna bake. And last but not least, we have 1 stick of butter that's melted and that has been cooled down. We're gonna start off by showing you a little trick on how to get the most juice from your lemon and to get the most zest inside your sugar. So you're gonna roll out your lemon like this, applying pressure until you feel that the lemon is squishy. That means all the juice has gone to the center, and whenever you cut it up, it'll be ready to squeeze. We're gonna use a microplane to zest the whole lemon. You know, you zested your whole lemon when your lemon is not as shiny anymore on the skin and it's pretty much opaque and it's almost white. This is where you want to stop to zest, because if you get to the white, it'll become a little too bitter and not sweet and sour like you want it. Once we have our zest all together, you're gonna put it in a big bowl and your other zest too. And you're gonna get your sugar and you're gonna mix it with the zest. With your fingers, you're going to break down the zest inside the sugar so you get lemon sugar, so that way your zest and your sugar taste like lemon. So you'll make sure you get all that lemon flavor inside your muffin. Essentially, you are releasing the zest oils inside the sugar and the sugar is absorbing it. So as soon as it starts to smell, that's when you know you're almost done. And there's your rubbed lemon sugar. To our sugar, we're going to add our flour. We're gonna give it a quick sift, just to make sure there's not any lumps. We're gonna mix it all together. Quick little stir. And to that, we're adding our baking soda, our salt, and our poppy seeds. Get all these dry ingredients mixed real quick. And we're gonna set this aside. Now we're gonna work on our wet ingredients, and first we need to get our lemon juice, and we need 3 tablespoons. I already have 1 tablespoon in here. We're gonna squeeze out another 2 tablespoons. And there you go. Go ahead and pick out all of your seeds. Okay, so here we have our wet ingredients already all seeded out, and we're gonna add some eggs to our buttermilk. 2 eggs. Go ahead and mix it all together. Our butter. That's already cooled down. And our lemon juice. Make a small well and I'm gonna add that in there, all of it. Go ahead and start folding everything in all together. And because this is a muffin batter, it's gonna be a little thick. And that's your batter. We're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes and come back to it and scoop it up. In the meantime, go ahead and prepare your muffin tins and put your oven to 425 degrees. So we're gonna prep our muffin pan. This is a silicone jumbo muffin pan. And the recipe is for 12 small normal cupcake tins, but since we're doing jumbo, I believe you'll get 6 to 7. We'll see. So to this, even if it's silicone, I'm still gonna grease it. So we're gonna use this to grease it real quick. And after your batter has rested for 10 minutes, it should be a little more on the less thick side because all the flour has fully absorbed all the liquid that we put in here. You're gonna use this ice cream scoop to scoop the batter into the muffin tins, and you're gonna fill them up all the way to the top. It's about 2 scoops. So the result of using 2 scoops on our jumbo muffin tins is 7. To our raw muffins, before they go in their oven, we're gonna add our turbino sugar or raw sugar, and we're gonna sprinkle it on top. This gives it the traditional I am a muffin look to these muffins. Do not use normal sugar for this because then you'll create a caramel and it'll just be rock solid and not edible at all. Or it will melt right into your muffin and all that hard work that you did will just not turn out at all. So we can go ahead and put this in the oven for 425 for 7 minutes and then turn down the oven at 450 for another 10 minutes and it should be done. When you see that your muffins are golden brown but you're still not confident that they are cooked, go ahead and do the toothpick test. The toothpick test is when you insert a toothpick into your muffin and if it comes out with the batter still on, stuck to the toothpick, that means that it's not done yet. Check the front row of your muffins and then check the back row of your muffins to ensure that everything is cooked evenly. Now to decorate your muffins, you're gonna make a lemon glaze. Here we have half a cup of powdered sugar and 0.5 ounces of lemon juice. We're just gonna add this in here and mix it up. And there's your glaze. You're gonna grab your muffins and you're gonna put it on a rack so that way if the drizzle runs over, it's okay. You're good to go. Okay, so go ahead and start your glaze. Just like that. And there you have it, lemon poppy seed muffins. Don't those muffins look really good? See you next week for another recipe.